Okay, so you guys, polynomials are an expression that can be formed by adding in finite number of terms. So we have a few things with that. Polynomials have to have whole powers, and this is an example of a polynomial. Polynomials cannot have fractions in the exponents. Polynomials cannot have the root symbols in them. Polynomials, you can't have x in the denominator, so you can't be dividing by x. If it divides by x, it's not a polynomial. And you can't have x be in that power spot, in that exponent spot. So, right? A few little other things. Polynomial is written in standard form in descending power. So we got 4, 3, 2, 1, and on down. So you have leading coefficients and degrees. So naming binomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, 1, 2, 3, and 4 terms, and then by degrees. Remember, constants can be a polynomial. So if I just have a number, that can be a polynomial. Remember, if I have linear stuff, 1, 2, 3, 4, that can be a polynomial. So in this problem right here, we got to decide if the expression is a polynomial, and then we got to state the degree. So I look at the first term. That looks good. I have a whole number as the exponent. Looks good. Whole number as the exponent. Oh, I come over here. That's not a whole number. It's a fraction. So no, not a polynomial. If I had this, 6x to the 5th plus 5x squared minus x to the 4th, that would be a those first two are polynomials, and then because that's a whole, so down here in the second example, that would be a polynomial. The degree, right, is the highest power, so I look for the highest power for, the degree is going to be 5. On our next example, decide if it's a polynomial, right? If it is, write it in standard form. It wants to say the degree and the leading coefficient. So look at my first term, whole number exponent. It is. Oh, this is a linear part of it, so x, if there's a 1 there, whole number exponent works, whole number exponents. That's a constant, so that is the polynomial. And then over here, polynomial. So each term's a polynomial, so I need to write it in standard form. Highest term, 14x to the, undo, right? Not right. Highest term is that 3x to the 7th. Bam. And then I have minus 30x to the 5th, add 14x to the 4th, add a 6x, minus a 7, stating the degree. Largest power is 7, and that leading coefficient is 3.